We're gonna talk to him, and if he doesn't, hopefully he can help us with some like apartments or something.